What's up, guys? Today we're going to look at this wireless sport headwear, and this is built with the Bluetooth inside. We can look at the box. Regular box, small one. They said here in the back you have built-in microphone and free talking. You have 3-button control all music, built-in recharge polymer battery, and removable headphone for headwear for washing. The specification in the back, they said this is Bluetooth 5.2 and this is good for 33 feet. Probably a little bit less. I try it and no. So let's open the box and see inside what exactly we have. Oh, user manual, cable, and the wireless sport headwear. So you can stretch it. Probably you don't see it on the side. The speaker are here each side, and voila, that's going to be the control. And when it's time to charge, it's going to be in the back on top. The time for charging, it's 1 hour or 2, and for playing, this is good to 8 to 10 hours to playing. So that's going to be perfect. And you know something, let's try it. Oh my lord, to see if the speaker, probably not, wait, okay, it's not exactly perfect, you know. You need to play with it just to be sure exactly where the speaker is, to place the both speaker. Yeah, that's going to be good like that. So, and they said this is good to do exercise. If you want to go to sleep with it, you can always go to sleep. And me, I try it with my pillow, and when it's time, when my pillow like that, I just put a little bit, not a little bit of pressure, but you know, you lay down and you sleep. I don't know, for me, I was not comfortable. But my wife, when she tried it, she almost passed an hour to sleep with it. So she loved it. But for me, no, forget it. It's for sleeping, no. But when it's time to do exercise, that's going to be perfect. This is made, you can answer the phone and the same, if you want, you can always go run with it. And when it's time to answer the phone, you just need to press in the middle, and that's going to be the answering. And when it's time to shut it off, you just press in the middle again. You have the volume up and down. And if you want to change the song, go up or go down. And let me show you. Let me show you something. No, doesn't work. Okay, if you want, I'm going to try to put music. You're going to listen to see probably if you like it or not. When it's time to put it on Bluetooth, you just need to press here in the middle, hold it for at least 3 to 5 seconds. You're going to see the flashing light blue. And when it's time to, if you need to know what exactly is going to be, music cozy. So just press on it and pair it. Okay, so now it's time to try it. And I'll put it perfect. And what exactly we're going to watch or listen. It's me. The volume is all the way up. and they are comfortable. They're not bad. The sound is crispy. Have a nice sound. It's still me who playing. I don't know if you can. Probably not. Probably you don't hear nothing. Wow. I don't know if you can hear something. Probably not. Yeah, I really love it. I love those kind of but I love it. But if you ask me which one I prefer between the one you put it, inside your ears or this, I prefer this because if you're moving anything, that's still going to hold on your head. So that's the thing I really like at it. I like it. For the noise cancellation, it's good. Well, we tried a few times. When it's time to go to bed, we put some soft music or soft jazz if you want. And for me, it was perfect. And for my wife too. Probably somebody else is not going to love it, but for us, that was fun, and I really enjoy it to put it on my head and do exercise with it. I hope you like this video about this wireless sport headwear. Sorry. If you love it, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friend. And like usual, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, and see you in another one.